Hello guys, what's up and welcome back again to Gadget War. Smartisan has quietly made a name for itself in the last 2 years. And now the Smartisan R1 has been released, packing up to 1 TB of storage. The company didn't slap a huge microSD card in the phone and call it a day, opting for fast UFS 2.1 storage instead. This is equivalent to 4.69 days of 1080p footage or 2.19 days of 4K video. In an era where cloud storage, portable hard drives, or microSD cards are available, it makes you wonder why you'd need this much space in a smartphone from the get-go. Sure, many people use phones in lieu of computers, especially in emerging markets. But if you can't afford the $1,400 price tag, you probably have a computer and access to cloud or external storage already. The Smartisan R1 isn't a one-trick pony though, offering a rather comprehensive spec sheet. There's a cutting-edge Snapdragon 845 chipset, 6 or 8 GB of RAM, and a 3600 mAh battery to keep the lights on. When your phone is about to die, you'll be glad to know there's Quick Charge 4 Plus and wireless charging support too. The phone also serves up a 6.70-inch 2242 by 1080 notched LCD screen. This is a skinny cutout like the Essential phone. Oddly enough, the screen supports 3D touch capabilities as well. Turning to the cameras, we're looking at a dual camera setup here, comprising a 12-megapixel main shooter and 20-megapixel secondary peeper. Selfies are handled by a 24-megapixel camera that offers AI-powered beauty effects. The rear and front cameras deliver depth of field or bokeh effects as well. Other noteworthy features include NFC support, a desktop mode, a rear fingerprint scanner, facial recognition, and a USB Type-C port. Unfortunately, the Smartisan R1 follows several other flagships by ditching the 3.5mm headphone jack. The Smartisan R1 has a starting price of $549 for the 6GB RAM, 64GB storage, and $628 for 6GB RAM and 128GB variant, and $700 for the 8GB of RAM and 128GB version. Then of course we have the 8GB of RAM and 1TB storage model, which cost you $1,388. That UFS 2.1 storage doesn't come cheap at all. Now the question is, would you pay $1,400 for a smartphone with 1 TB of internal storage? Let us know in the comment section below. Give us a like if you enjoyed the video and don't forget to subscribe for more info and updates. Thank you for watching and see you next time.